This is Deconstruction. My name is Akshat. Let's get to know the construction industry part 1. In this video, I will talk about the primary arms or division of construction. The construction industry is enormous and generally it is divided into three main categories. The first one is residential and mixed use. The second is commercial construction. The third one is heavy civil or infrastructure. So the whole industry can be summed up in these three main divisions. Now let's see some examples from each division one by one. The first one is residential and residential mixed use, which comprise of housing. Housing can be single family house, permanent housing, temporary housing, apartment complexes, multi-story residential, multi-story high-rise, and if these multi-story high-rise or apartment communities have some retail spaces, they're considered as mixed use, such as any apartment community with shopping areas, restaurants, banks, any general stores within the community, they are considered as mixed use. For example, skyscrapers. Skyscrapers generally have residential apartments with restaurants, hotels, office spaces, art galleries, and museums. The second one is commercial. Commercial construction focuses mainly on building, designing, and renovating business structures such as office buildings, amusement parks, restaurants, schools, hospitals, tire repair shops, mechanical shops, and airport terminals, parking structures, etc. Now, before we go on to the third category, which is infrastructure and heavy civil, I would like to explain more about commercial and residential mixed use construction industry. Now, residential mixed use is a massive industry in itself, and same goes for commercial. There are construction companies, design firms, and consultants who are experts and market leaders in these two categories. However, if you look closely, these two categories or industries are connected and have a lot of similarities. For example, both residential mixed use and commercial uses similar architectural elements such as walls, roofs, millwork for doors and windows, HVAC systems, electrical installations, low voltage lines, similar fire rating, similar building codes and building permits. With so many similarities between material and trade work, it is beneficial for the construction companies to get involved in both of these categories at the same time. By doing so, these construction companies are actually expanding their expertise and getting benefit from both markets. So there are construction companies, design firms, and consultants who are actually involved in both industries, which is residential and commercial. This information might be helpful for you if you are a student or an employee. Now let's discuss the third division, which is heavy civil and infrastructure, on my next video. And I hope this information provide you with some good information and knowledge. Thank you for watching.